Pulse Zen as a DeFi protocol is designed as the great wealth reset tool. And how does it do that? Well, Pulse Zen is a networked economy that is free for anybody to take part in. All you have to do is learn what cryptocurrency is all about. Go to the Pulse Zen app website, get a Trezor or a Ledger, install MetaMask, and then buy your USD and Ethereum using your fiat currency. There are lots of on-ramps in which you can do that. And then you simply hold Pulse Zen in your wallet, which is on the blockchain, of course. The tokens are always on the blockchain. And then here's what happens. After every buy, sell, or a transfer to another wallet, a 2% pay it forward deduction is made. That 2% is then redistributed to everyone who holds Pulse Zen. There's no staking, there's no lockup, and you get your share proportionally to the percentage of the total supply that you own at that time of the transaction. But it is compounding rewards on steroids, because let's say you had 1 million PZEN and we have a transaction, we have 1,250,000 PZEN appearing in your wallet. That means on the very next transaction, you actually own a larger percentage of the total supply. But there's more. Because the previous transaction also burnt some tokens via the code, you actually own even more percentage-wise of the total supply, so you get more of that 2% pool for the very next transaction. The math behind this is based on the eighth wonder of the world, compounding interest, the favorite investment strategy of Warren Buffett. And I think that he's a man who knows one or two things about investing.